Hold that right there. What is good, y'all? And today I got another video with content for y'all. It's gonna be about seriousness in my art now, and I will be touching up and restoring my old Vans Custom. It's a white Vans Custom, but I use blue Sharpie and I used a black pen. Okay, this is a black ink gel pen. So here's the custom right here. Hey guys, sorry that I got big feet and stuff, but this is the custom right here. As you can see up close, the marker, you see marker spots. The paint is starting to wear off. The soles are dirty. You can see the other side. The checkerboard effect is fading off. The bathing ape is coming off on this side. And on this side, it's a little bit more black. So the toe box with the off the wall, I have to touch that up, get a little bit of the scuffs off there. I have to wash the bottom completely. The black and the purple, the blue, and then the back with the flames. The colors have to be remastered. Okay, so, and I'm gonna keep this blue and white. Or I might just change that to blue and black. But yeah, these will be getting touched up today. So stay tuned with the video. Alright YouTube, it's time to clean the other shoe. I cleaned this shoe to my best ability. There's some spots that are still gray, but I will cover this over with this flame blue and black. Okay, I will replace this with blue and black like this. Okay, so I'm waiting for these to dry off. These still need some drying off for like at least 2 hours. And I'm gonna wash this off real quick, so stay tuned. Alright, so the shoes are all dried up, guys. I wiped the leather outside off. So now we're gonna fix these up. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, in this part I will be redrawn on the marker, like over the designs, to restore the shoe. I will show you guys at the end. Just stay tuned and keep watching. You know, I always wanted to know what I was gonna do with my art. First I said I was gonna be an architect. I could still be an architect, but that's a lot of math in that. But on the other hand, I want to put my art into designing clothing. Alright y'all, so I finished the touch-ups on my custom. Alright, I'm gonna show you this side of the shoe. Looks pretty clean. Let me give you a better view. So this is the touch-up of the customs. Of course, I used the Sharpie, and I got all of the faded blue up good. I added a Chloe Des Garçon heart right here, as you can see. Fire. I fixed up the bathing ape, the Vans. This side is pretty clean. I fixed up the off the walls. Okay, y'all, thank y'all for watching my videos. This is like a couple of days later. I was a little bit lazy with posting, but y'all will get another video later. Maybe you know what, since I've been bullshitting, I'm gonna post 2 more.